Hey everyone, this is Ray from LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about Nature's Bakery Mango Fig Bar. This bar is full of fig and fruit filling, encased in a stone-ground flaky wheat exterior, which is more or less about the same consistency of the cereal bars you grew up with, but with no GMO ingredients. Speaking of GMOs, this bar has none, along with no artificial flavorings, no preservatives, and no high fructose corn syrup. They come in a variety of flavors from mango to apple cinnamon, vanilla raspberry to peach apricot. There's something for everyone to enjoy. I enjoy this bar mainly because I feel it can help me conquer my sweet tooth, as well as helping me to continue on healthy eating goals. So go ahead, give them a try. I hope you love them as much as I do. If so, tell your friends, tell your family, and remember, spread the wellness.